everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you locations of best AFK energy recovery spot in Heartopia. So if you are looking for the most relaxing place in Heartopia, you need to visit this Onsen Mountain. This area features a beautiful hot spring where players can relax while restoring their energy. When you arrive on this Onsen Mountain, you can sit on these floating rings. This one, or you can also just tap on this icon to simply soak your body into hot spring and enjoy the peaceful atmosphere on here, like this. You can see it. I think many players use these locations as an AFK spot because you can recover energy while relaxing at the same time. And I think it's also a great place for hanging out with friends or just taking photo with beautiful onsen background. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.